is a CRM tool. Okay, by using of the Salesforce platform, we will design our own applications. Remember, our Salesforce is a CRM tool. By using of the Salesforce.com, we will design our own application. First of all, guys, before going to the Salesforce, we'll see what are the features available in our Salesforce.com. Okay, so first of all, see, in our Salesforce we are having two different roles, guys. First one is SFDC admin and the second one is SFDC development. Okay, so here we are having two types of module. First one is a SFDC admin, second one is a SFDC development. Guys, SFDC is nothing but salesforce.com. That's it only. Okay, Salesforce or salesforce.com, anything will be same. SFDC means salesforce.com. So first of all, what is your administration? So here first of all, what is your Salesforce administration? So remember guys, administration is nothing but by using of the Salesforce predefined functionalities. Remember, by using of the Salesforce predefined functionalities, we will design or we will build our own applications. Remember, SFDC admin is nothing but by using of Salesforce predefined functionalities, we will build or we will develop the application. Okay, so in the SFDC admin side, everything is a point and clicks, guys. You no need to write single line of code also. Everything, whatever you are in the admin side, everything is a point and clicks. Okay, any doubts so far?
No.
Okay, so in the administration side, guys, here we are having different type of certification. See, first one is admin 201 certification. Next, the sales cloud certification. Next one is service cloud certification. And the last one is advanced admin 211 certification. See guys, these all are the certifications available in our administration side. See, admin 201 certification, sales cloud certification, service cloud certification, and advanced admin 211 certification. Remember one important point, guys. If you want to write the sales cloud, service cloud, advanced admin means, first of all, must and should you need to complete this admin 201 certification, guys. Once you complete this 201 certification, then only they will allow you to write the sales cloud, service cloud, and advanced admin certifications. Okay, and coming to the exam pattern, guys. See, here we are having 60 multiple choice questions, guys. Okay, we are having 60 multiple choice questions. Here you no need to do any project, nothing. Just 60 multiple choice questions and you need to get 65 percentage. This is your pass percentage. You need to get 65%. And see, the time duration is 90 minutes. And the registration fee $200. This is the registration fee, guys. For each exam you need to pay $200. See, the 60 multiple choice question, 65 percentage your pass percentage, 90 minutes is your time duration, and $2000, this is your registration fee. Got it? And every year, guys, you need to pay $100. This is your certification maintenance fee. Every year we need to pay $100. This is our Salesforce certification maintenance fee. This is about the admin side. In the administration side, you are having any doubts, guys? Everybody clear? Okay, now I am going to the development side. First of all, remember one very important point, guys. If you want to go for Salesforce development means you need to work on admin activities as well as development activities, guys, both. So if you want to go for Salesforce development means you need to work on the admin plus development activities. Got it?
Yeah.
Any doubts so far? Everybody clear? So guys, remember here in the visual force side, we are having three more modules. First one is visual force, and the next one is apex, and the third one is web service. So first of all, see, if you want to go for Salesforce developer role means you need to work on admin plus development, both the things. And see, in the developer side, again we are having three modules: Visual Force, Apex, and Web Service. So, first of all, what is a Visual Force? Remember, guys, by using of this Visual Force pages, we will design our own user interface. Remember here, Visual Force. What is the use of this Visual Force? By using of this Visual Force, we will design our own user interface. Okay, and your visual force is a markup language. Guys, do you have any idea on the markup language? Anyone? Markup language, did you heard about this word? Markup language, anyone? Did you heard about this word, guys? Markup language. What is a markup language? Remember, markup language is nothing but here we are having set of predefined tags. So remember, in the visual force also we are having set of predefined tags. The next one is apex. So what is the apex? So remember here, apex is nothing but here we will write our own business logic. Remember, guys, visual force is nothing but here I am designing my UI. Then what about the apex? In the apex side, I am just simply designing our business logic. And what about the web services? The web service is nothing but we will integrate with the external web applications. Remember, by using of these web services, we will integrate two different applications. So in the development side, we are having three modules: Visual Force, Apex, and Web Services. First of all, what is a visual force? Visual force is a markup language. By using of this visual force pages, we will design our own user interface. Next one is Apex. What is the use of this Apex? Apex is nothing but here we will write our own business logic. And what about the web services, guys? In the web services, we will integrate two different applications. Got it? Any doubts so far? Romy, you are having any doubts so far? Everything clear, Romy? Shravanti, you are having any doubts so far, Shravanti?
No, 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 I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay. Teja, you are having any doubts so far, Teja? Everything clear?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, coming to the certifications, guys. See, in the development side, again, we are having two certifications. First one is Dev 401 certification, and the next one is Advanced Developer. Advanced Developer 501 certification. See, guys, if you want to write the 501 certification means must and should you need to complete this 401 certification. And see here in the 401 certification also we are having 60 multiple choice questions and 65 percentage. This is a pass percentage, and 90 minutes is a time duration, and see the $200. This is a registration fee, and every year you need to pay $100. Okay, but coming to the 501 certification, guys, if you want to get the 501 certification means you need to complete three modules. Okay, if you want to complete the 501 certification means we need to complete three modules, guys. The first one is, see here, the first you need to write the exam. This is the first phase, guys. In the first phase we are having 60 multiple choice questions and 90 minutes is a duration, and you need to get 65 percentage. This is the pass percentage. This is the first phase. Once you complete the exam, then we need to go for second phase. In the second phase, guys, you need to complete the project. You need to do one project, guys. Once you complete the project also, then the third one is you need to go for Viva with the Salesforce. Once you complete this Viva also, then only our Salesforce provide the 501 certification. Remember here, guys, if you are having the 501 certification means you are the king on the Salesforce, because it is a very toughest certification, and it to complete the certification minimum to minimum it will take 6 months time, and the registration fee is $400. Got it? See, guys, these all are the modules and the certifications available in our Salesforce. Any doubts so far? Any doubts so far? Everybody
Yeah, I
clear?
have a question.
Yes, please.
Uh, is this certification needed for, I mean, is that really important for our marketing side, or if
Yes,
we
obviously, right? See, for example, if the
get the
recruiter got
certification, only we need to go to the market, or something else?
actually, it's
Uh,
not a mandatory, okay? But if you are having the certification, means your resume will have the weightage.
okay,
Okay, see,
okay,
just like
yeah.
our degrees. Okay, if you
Mm-hmm.
are having the certification means that is an extra advantage for you. And see here, you can easily clear this admin 201 certification and developer 401 certification. Here what we will do is we will provide the material also for this admin 201 and 401 certification. Okay, our Salesforce standard material as well as our material. By using of this one, you can easily clear this 201 and 401 certification. Okay,
Okay, okay.
everything clear? Any doubts now?
No.
Okay. Now, guys, see, as of now, we discussed about what are the modules available in our Salesforce. Salesforce administration as well as the development. Next, guys, see, before going to the Salesforce, we'll discuss some basic points, guys. First important thing. So, we are having very huge IT industry, right? Almost 1 million or 5 million users working on this IT industry. Guys, what is the main purpose of this IT industry? Any idea? Anyone? What is the main purpose of this IT industry? Why we need this much big industry? What we are doing here? Any idea? Anyone? What we are doing in this particular industry? Any idea? Anyone? Stravanti, Romi, anyone? See here what we are doing, guys. In our IT industry, we are designing the applications as well as we are maintaining those applications. Am I right? See here
Yeah.
in the IT industry, what we are doing? First of all, we are designing the application and we are maintaining those applications. So guys, here first of all, what is mean by application? App. Any idea? Application. So remember, guys, application is nothing but it is a type of software. Remember, application is nothing but it is a type of software that allows you to perform a specific task. Remember, application. What is mean by application? Application is nothing but it is a type of software that allows you to perform a specific task. Here, if you design an application for your mobile device, then we will call it as mobile application. If you design an application for your laptops or desktops, then we will call it as desktop applications. Remember, guys, first of all, what is an application? Application is nothing but it is a type of software that allows you to perform a specific task. If you design an application for your desktops or laptops, then we will call it as desktop applications. If you design an application for your mobile device, then we will call it as mobile application. Okay, so I'm taking a small example here. Your WhatsApp, WeChat, Viber, this everything comes under mobile applications. Got it? Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay, next important thing is
Mm-hmm.
while designing the application, we are having two ways, guys. Remember here, while designing the application, we are having two types. First one is on premise applications, and second one is on demand applications. Remember, guys, while designing the application, we are having two ways. First one is on premise applications, and second one is on demand applications. So what is the on-premise applications? Remember, guys, on-premise applications are nothing but by installing the software in your local system, we will build or we will design the application. Remember, by installing the software in your local system, we will build or we will design the application. What about the on-demand applications? On demand is nothing but without installing the software, we will build or we will access the applications. Remember, guys, on premise and on demand, one of the important interview question, what is the use of on premise applications? Remember, on premise applications are nothing but by installing the software in your local system, we will build or we will design the application. What about the on demand? Without installing the software, we will build or we will design the application. Got it? Here I'm taking a small example, guys. See, do you have any idea on the C language? C language. The basic C language, guys. Any idea? Anyone? Not only the C, anything, Java, .NET, any language. You are having any idea? Anyone? Okay, see.
Yeah.
Okay, so for example, I'm taking the basic C language, guys. So first of all, if you want to implement the C application, first of all, what we need to do, guys? First of all, we need to purchase the software. Am I right? So if you want to design a C application, means first of all, what we need to do? You need to purchase the software. Am I right? So what is the next step? Once you purchase the software, we need to install that software into our local systems. Am I right? So in general, who will take care of the installations? Every organization IT team will take care of all this installation. So here IT team is working for our organization, so we need to pay the salaries to this IT team. Next, the thing is, what about your database? Again, you need to purchase the database, like you can purchase Oracle, Informatica, whatever it may be. So here next thing is you need to purchase the database. Next, who will install this software? Again the IT team. So see, guys, here if you want to implement the C application, means first of all you need to install the software into our local system. What about the next step? To install that software, we need a IT team. Am I right? So you need to pay the salaries to your IT team. Then what about the database? To store the data, again you need to purchase the database license. And to install the servers, to install this database, again you need the IT team. So guys, do you think it is a cost effective one? Anyone? Do you think it is a cost effective? No, right?
No.
Unnecessarily, why we need to spend this much amount? So that is the reason all the organizations are moving to on demand. What is the on demand applications? On demand application means we no need to install any software, guys. So
Mm.
I'm taking a simple example. Everybody aware of Facebook application, right? Everybody aware
Yes.
of this Facebook application, right? Guys, how you
Yes.
are accessing the Facebook application? How you were accessing the Facebook application?
We just create our own login.
So you are creating your credentials, then you are just simply giving your username and then password. Am I right?
Yes.
So here, guys, remember. So here, what you are doing, you are just simply accessing your Facebook application through URL. Am I right? Here I am accessing my Facebook application through URL. So here, do I need to install any software? Here, guys, here, do I need to install any?
No.
No, right? So here I'm not installing any software, right? So is there any use of this IT team? Okay, guys, could you please mute yourself because I'm getting the voice back. So could you please mute yourself? And if you have any doubts, and just unmute and tell me. Okay. So here, guys. Oh, now it's fine. Okay. See here, if
Yeah.
I want to install the Facebook application, I no need to install any software. So I'm not installing any software, right? So is there any use of IT team? Obviously, no. Am I right?
No.
So here I'm not installing any software, so I no need to worry about this IT team. What about the database, guys? Daily you are uploading the pictures, you are sharing the videos, you are adding the feed. So do you need to install any database?
No.
No. So that's also take care by your Facebook. So you no need to worry about the database. Again, you no need to worry about the IT team. So guys, see on demand applications. If you want to access the on demand application means you need to access the software. See, the Facebook means it is a free application. But if there is any license cost means we will purchase the license. That's it. Apart from that, you no need to worry about the rest of the things. Now guys, now tell me, it is a cost effective one or not? Do you think on demand applications are cost effective? Yes, right? Because here you are purchasing only the license. You no need to worry about the database. You no need to pay the salaries to IT team. Nothing, right? So remember here on demand applications are cost effective. So guys, here we discussed about on premise and on demand. So what is the difference between on premise applications and on demand application? Anyone? See, on-premise applications are nothing but by installing the software in your local system, we will build or we will develop the application. And your on-premise applications are not is not a cost-effective one. Then what about the on-demand? On-demand is nothing but without installing the software we will build or we will develop the applications, and your on demand applications are cost effective one. Got it? Everybody clear, guys? Romy, you are having any doubts, Romy? Everything clear? Sravanti, you are having any doubts, Sravanti?
No.
Teja, you are having any doubts, Teja?
No.
Okay. So, see, as of now, we discussed about the on-premise applications and on-demand applications. Everybody clear, right? Next,
Yeah.
I'm going to the next concept. Guys, nowadays, if you ask anyone, they are just simply saying, I'm working on the cloud. I'm working on the cloud. So, what is mean by cloud? Any idea? What is mean by cloud, guys? Remember, cloud is nothing but internet. That's it. Okay, the cloud, the term cloud means internet. See, here we are discussing about cloud computing. Remember, guys, cloud computing is nothing but storing and accessing the data or programs over the internet. Then we will call it as cloud computing. Remember, what is a cloud computing? Cloud computing is nothing but storing and accessing the data or programs over the internet. Then we will call it as cloud computing. And your cloud computing mainly depends on these three terms: software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Guys, 99% you will get this interview question. See, first of all, what is mean by cloud computing? Cloud computing is nothing but storing and accessing the data or programs over the internet. Then we will call it as cloud computing. Our cloud computing mainly depends on three terms, guys. Remember, software as a service, platform as a service, and the last one is infrastructure as a service. Now we'll see one by one. First of all, what is mean by software as a service or SaaS? Remember, guys, SaaS or software as service is nothing but See, delivering the application over the internet. See, SaaS is nothing but software as a service, the way of deliver the application over the internet. The software as a service, sometimes we will call it as a hosted software, web-based software, and on-demand software. Remember, guys, software as a service is nothing but the way of deliver the application over the internet. And the software as a service, sometimes we will call it as a hosted software, web-based software, and on-demand software. Next important thing is, whoever providing the software, they will take care of your database, your data security, as well as your application performance. Remember, guys, whoever providing the software, they will take care of your database, your data security, as well as your application performance. See, I am taking a small example here, guys. Are you using internet banking? Internet banking.
Yeah.
So what is the use of this internet banking? So by
Mm.
using of the
Mm.
internet banking, what we will do? We will transfer the funds to
Transfer
your
money.
friends. And we
Mm.
will store where our beneficiary account numbers. And here you can verify our mini statement also, right? And our balance amount also. See, guys, so this is very, very secure data. Am I right? So your beneficiary account number, your balance amount, your transactions, nothing but very, very sensitive data. So, guys, who will take care of this data security? For example, I am using HDFC internet banking. So who will take care of this data security? Any idea? If you are using the HDFC internet banking, who will take care of this data security? Obviously HDFC Bank.
Mm.
Am I right? So what about your data storage, your transactions? That's also taken care by your HDFC Bank. Then what about your application performance? That's also your HDFC Bank. So remember here, guys, here what is the software as a service? Software as a service is nothing but the way of deliver the application over the internet. Next, whoever providing the software, they will take care of your database, your data security, as well as your application performance. Got it? Whoever providing the software, they will take care of your database, data security, as well as your application performance. Got it? Everybody clear, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next one is, we'll see, first, multi-tenant architecture. This is also one of the important interview question, guys. See, multi-tenant architecture is nothing but so many members access the same application at particular time, then we will call it as multi-tenant architecture. Remember, guys, what is a multi-tenant architecture? Multi-tenant architecture is nothing but so many members access the same application at particular time, then we will call it as multi-tenant architecture. I am taking a small example here, guys. See, I am located in India, so if I want, I can access the Facebook application at the same time. If the Teja want, Teja can access the same Facebook application at the same time. If somebody else want, he can access the same application. If the Sravanti want, she can access same Facebook application. See, if we want, everyone can store the data into same Facebook server. See what's happening here. At the same time, we all are using Facebook applications, and we all are storing the data into same Facebook server. That is nothing but multi-tenant architecture. Remember, guys, what is mean by multi-tenant architecture? Multi-tenant architecture is nothing but so many members access the same application at particular time, then we will call it as multi-tenant architecture. And next, guys, see, here I specified our SaaS applications are very easy to access. What is the reason, guys? Any idea why I specified SaaS applications are very easy to access? Any idea? Anyone? Anyone?
I think we can many users can use that, so it doesn't need any. I mean,
Yes, so here if you want to access the SaaS application, you no need to install any software. You no need to worry about your database, your maintenance, nothing, right? So that
Yeah.
is the reason I specified your SaaS applications are very, very easy to access. Next one is high adoption. What is this high adoption? Remember guys, our SaaS applications will not depend on any operating system or any processor guys. If you want, you can access this Facebook application in i3 processor, i5 processor, i7 processor, or Qualcomm processor, whatever it may be. If you want, you can access in a Windows operating system, Linux, Mac, whatever it may be, right? So here remember, your SaaS applications will not depend on any operating system or any processor. And the next one is low initial cost. Guys, why I specified it's a low initial cost? See here, if you want to access this on-demand application means you need to purchase only the license, right? The rest of the things will take care by our software provider. That's it. So that is the reason I specified it is a low initial cost. Got it? Any doubts so far? Everybody clear, guys? Sravanti, any doubts so far?
Mm.
Teja, you are having any doubts so far?
No.
Romy, you are having any doubts so far?
No, sorry.
Okay. So the next one is platform as a service, guys. See, as of now, we discuss software as a service, right? The next one is platform as a service. What is this platform as a service? Remember, platform as a service is nothing but it will provide a platform to build our own application. Remember, what is the platform as a service? Platform as a service is nothing but it will provide a platform to build our own application. I'm taking a small example here. Guys, is it possible to display the emails in Facebook application? You got my point? Is it possible to display the emails into your Facebook application?
No.
Mm.
Any idea? No, right? Obviously, no. It's not at all a possible, right?
Mm.
So here remember what's happening here. So they are providing only the software, right? So here they are providing only the software, guys. So here what is the platform? Platform as a service is nothing but it will provide a platform to build our own application. And remember here, guys, our Salesforce is the best example for this platform as a service. Okay, here our Salesforce is the best example for this platform as a service. Got it? Any doubts so far? Everything clear?
No.
Everything clear, guys? Everybody clear?
Yes.
Okay. So here guys, remember, first of all, we discuss software as a service and the platform as a service. So platform as a service is nothing but it will provide a platform to build our own application. And the last one is infrastructure as a service. What is this infrastructure as a service? Remember, infrastructure as a service is nothing but it will include your storage, hardware, servers, network components, all the physical infrastructure. We will call it as infrastructure as a service. Remember, what is the infrastructure as a service? Infrastructure as a service is nothing but it includes your storage, hardware, network components, all the physical infrastructure. We will call it as infrastructure as a service. See guys, here just now we discussed it, right? Whoever providing the software, they will take care of your database, your data security, as well as application performance. So we no need to worry about that one, guys. But the thing is, your software provider need to take care of this database, right? So they need the servers, right? They need the physical infrastructure, right? That's nothing
Yeah.
but your infrastructure as a service. So remember here, whoever providing the software, they will take care of this infrastructure also. Okay, whoever providing the software, they will take care of this infrastructure also. Got it? Everything clear, guys? See, As of now, we discussed about the cloud computing. What is the cloud computing? First of all, cloud computing is nothing but storing and accessing the data or programs over the internet. Then we will call it as cloud computing. The next, our cloud computing mainly depends on three terms. What are the three terms, guys? Software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. So first of all, what is the software as a service? Software as a service is nothing but the way of deliver the application over the internet. The SaaS means software as a service, and the way of deliver the application over the internet. And here the software as a service, sometimes we will call it as a hosted software, web-based software, and on-demand software. Next, whoever providing the software, they will take care of your database, your data security, as well as your application performance, right? Next, we discussed about the multi-tenant architecture, one of the important interview question. What is mean by multi-tenant architecture? Multi-tenant
Many
architecture. Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
many users can access one
So many members access the same application at particular
Yes.
time, then we will call it as multi-tenant architecture. Remember, so many members access the same application at particular time, then we will call it as multi-tenant architecture. Then we discussed about the platform as a service. Guys, what is mean by platform as a service? Any idea? Platform as a service. See, the platform as a service is nothing but it will provide a platform to build our own application. Am I right? Platform as a service is nothing but it will provide a platform to build our own application. And the last one is infrastructure as a service. What is this infrastructure as a service? Any idea? Infrastructure as a service is nothing but it includes your storage, your hardware, your network components, all the physical infrastructure. We will call it as infrastructure as a service. Got it? Any doubts so far, guys? Everybody clear? Guys, this everything is a very, very important things. Definitely you will get minimum to minimum two interview questions. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next, guys, we are going to salesforce.com. See, as of now, we discussed the basics. Now, coming to the salesforce.com. What is the salesforce.com? Remember, guys, Salesforce is a cloud computing social enterprise software as a service. Remember, what is the salesforce.com? Salesforce.com is a cloud computing social enterprise software as a service, and it's founded in 1999. Mark Benoff, he is a CEO and founder of our Salesforce.com. Remember, what is a Salesforce? Salesforce is a cloud computing social enterprise software as a service, and it's founded in 1999. And Mark Benoff, he is the CEO and founder of our Salesforce.com. And remember one more important thing, guys. Our Salesforce support three architectures, guys. First one is SaaS architecture, PaaS architecture, and IaaS architecture. Remember, our Salesforce support SaaS architecture, PaaS architecture, and IaaS architecture also. So first of all, what is a SaaS? So whenever you purchase the Salesforce license or whenever you create a developer account, defaultly you will get the software. If that software fit for your organization, means that's really well and good. You can use that software. If that software not fit for your organization, means your Salesforce providing the platform, guys. In that platform you can design your own application. And the third one is IaaS. So here your Salesforce providing the software, right? So your Salesforce will take care of your database also. So remember, guys, our Salesforce support SaaS architecture, PaaS architecture, and IaaS architecture also. Got it? And see, the Salesforce, it's best known as its CRM product. Guys, what is the CRM, guys? Any idea? So here I am saying our Salesforce best known as its CRM product. So what is the CRM? Any idea? So remember, CRM stands for Customer Relation Management. Remember, CRM stands for Customer Relation Management. See, by using of the CRM, what we will do? See, CRM stands for Customer Relation Management. In order to develop the stronger relation between the customers, we will use the CRM. Remember, CRM stands for Customer Relation Management. In order to develop the stronger relation between the customers, we will use this CRM. I am taking a small example, guys. See, if you visit to any shopping mall, they will offer the cashback cards or reward points, right? What is the use of that reward points? Any idea? If you visit to any shopping mall, they will offer the reward points, right? What is the use of that reward points, guys? Any idea? See, what they will do, they just simply said, okay, so we are providing the reward card. So every 1,000 rupees, you will get 1 rupee as a cashback. And you need to use that cashback only in this shopping mall, right? What they will do, they are giving the offer, and by using of that offer they are trying to retain the customer, guys. See, to redeem these points again we need to go to same shopping mall. So what's happening here, you are just simply retaining the customer. That is one advantage. And one more advantage also, guys. See, what they will do is, see, whenever you purchase any product, they just simply swipe your card. Am I right? Whenever you purchase any product, they just simply swipe your card. By using of that swiping, they will track all your purchase transactions. And then after 3 months, they just simply create a report. Okay, so the last quarter we sell 100 peppy jeans, but we sell only 100 Lee Coopers. Sorry, only 10 Lee Coopers. Then they just simply add a offer on Lee Cooper saying that buy one get one free. So what's happening here? They are just simply knowing the public pulse, and they are just simply adding the offer on that particular product, so that they are improving their sales also. This everything comes under CRM. See, what is a CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relation Management. In order to develop the stronger relation between the customer, we will use the CRM. Got it? Any doubts, guys? Everybody clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so any doubts in the training? Any doubts in the Salesforce openings, job placements? Any doubts, guys? And one more thing, guys. Here, every day we are having the session, guys. Next important thing is here, this everything is a practical session. See, these all are just the basic points, right? That is the reason I explained theoretically. But going forward, we will create one developer account, guys. This is our Salesforce trial edition. In this developer account, we will implement all the concepts. See, if you take any concept, everything we will implement in this developer account. This is a completely practical session. For every concept we will take one practical example, then we will implement that example into this developer account. And this developer account comes lifetime availability. So in the future, whenever you are having any doubts, you can review in this developer account. Along with this, every day once we complete the class, we will provide the recordings also. In that recording, you will get audio plus video, both, guys. That is for your future reference. Just download the recording and you can store it into your local PC. And along with this, we are providing the material also, our Salesforce standard material as well as our material, our Karthik training material. By using of this one, you can easily clear the 201 and 401 certification. See, in the material we are specifying everything, guys, the step by step. See, if you take any concept, first I just simply specifying the description, then the steps how to implement that particular task. Like that, we prepare the material, we will provide that material also. Got it? Any doubts, guys, regarding the training, the Salesforce placements, whatever it may be? Any doubts? Anyone?
Is
Yes, please.
Yeah, I have one. Will the Salesforce need any download of the tool? Like I have some knowledge in Tableau, where in Tableau we download some tool.
Mm-hmm.
Is it required for Salesforce also?
No, here that's what. See, I told you, right? Your Salesforce is a software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Nothing but everything in the cloud. You no need to install any software. Everything in the cloud itself. Just like your Facebook Teja. So previously
Uh,
you told you, right? You just simply create a credentials, then you will access the Facebook application, right? In the
yeah.
same way, here we will give the credentials and we will use the Salesforce application. That's it.
Uh,
You no need to install any software, nothing. Everything in the cloud.
okay.
Okay? Yeah. Any other doubts, guys? Teja, your side, you are everything clear, Teja?
Yeah.
Okay. Sravanti, you are having any doubts, Sravanti, regarding the
Uh,
trainings, anything?
what about the timings? Suppose
The
if we want
timings
to.
we will discuss, Sravanti. I will let you know
Okay.
the timings. Okay. Based
Yeah,
on
sure.
your comfortable times only, we'll start. That's not at all a problem. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. So Romy, you are having any doubts? Everything clear? Okay. So Omar, you are having any doubts, Omar? Everything clear, Omar? I think just now you joined,
No.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Omar, I will do one thing. I will forward this recording to you, Omar. Just have a look on that. If you are having any doubts, just let me know. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. So everybody clear, guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Then
My name is
time.
Asif, not Umar.
Oh, but here you mentioned Umar,
Yeah.
right? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, Asif. Not a problem. Okay, so everybody clear, right? So I will forward this recording also, guys. Just have a look on that and let me know if you have any doubts on any time. Okay? Timings I will let you know, you guys. Okay?
Yeah,
Any doubts? Everybody clear, right?
yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much for your time. Have a wonderful day, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, Romy. Bye, Stranti.
Yeah.
Bye, Teja.
Bye.
Bye.